Hello, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a marinade for a flank steak. Normally I don't cook meat too much, but I'm doing a special meal. So what we're going to start off, we're going to start with a 2-cup measuring cup. And it's going to be sort of a wine mustard, tarragon style vinaigrette. So what we're going to do is look for our 3rd cup measure here. And we're going to add 1/3 cup of dry white wine, a 1/3 cup of olive oil, and a 1/3 cup of mustard. And I'm using extra virgin olive oil. Next, we will take a dry white wine. So basically any dry white wine you like, and then you can drink the rest with your meal. And then finally, we will have our Dijon mustard. We want to use 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Add that in. We want about half a teaspoon of pepper. And we'll take 1 teaspoon of salt. And we're gonna whisk all that together. Normally I would use a whisk, but since this is a smaller area, I'm just gonna whisk it together with a fork. So take your meat and we're gonna score it. And what that will do is it'll help the marinade go right into the meat as well. So by scoring it, we're just gonna do crisscrosses. This marinade is for 2 to 2.5 pounds of meat. So we're not gonna use the entire marinade for this batch. And the last step right now is to add about 2 teaspoons of tarragon. Now I couldn't find fresh tarragon this time, so I got dried tarragon. If you can find fresh tarragon, you'll want to 2 tablespoons instead of 2 teaspoons. We're just gonna sprinkle that on top. We'll let this sit for at least 2 hours or up to overnight. And what you might wanna do is maybe just mix up, make sure that the marinade's at the bottom. We will let this sit in the fridge and I will come back before I start cooking it. First thing I'm doing is I'm just coating the pan with some avocado oil. So we're gonna sear it for about 5 minutes with salt and pepper. So there's one side done. Here's the final product, looking good.